boys and girls, welcome to today's Read Writing Phonics class. Today we are beginning the set 3 sounds, and that's super exciting, and I know you're excited as well. So let's get on with it. Today's sound are special friends. That means 2 letters that make the same sound. Today we have the E sound. E. 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 Good job. Now, on this part of the card, what do we have here? Cup of tea. Now, she's trying to be super careful so it doesn't spill. So when you see this part of the card, I want you to say cup of tea. But when you see this part of the card, I want you to say E. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Excellent works, Charms. Okay, Charms, so I will put the E sound along with some of the sounds we've been talking about. And when you see the E sound, I want you to point those 2 magic fingers right at it, okay? Are you ready? Let's do it. Good job. Excellent work. Very good. Excellent works, Charms. Now, I have some words here for the E sound. And here's what I want you to do. When you see the word, I want you to fret talk each sound. And when I pull it closer, I want you to read the word. Like this. R, E, E. Real. I'll do it again. K, E, E. Clean. So now your turn, okay? Fret talk, read the word. Good job. Excellent work. Good. Well done, champ. Very good. How about we try this one? Good job. Now get your pen and your paper ready so we can do some writing together. In our writing, we will try to spell some words with the E sound. Are you ready? Now the first word is clean. How many 5 fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word clean? I'll tell you. 4 fret fingers. So now let's pinch it. K, L, E, N. Clean. Good. So go ahead and write that down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Let's do it. For the word clean, our first sound is K. This one. And then we have L. And then the special friends E. And the last sound N. Don't forget to underline the special friends. So now let's tick or fix. If you got the K sound right, go ahead and tick. If you got the L sound right, go ahead and tick for that. And then the special friends E, tick for them as well. And the last sound N. See? Super easy. Now the next word we're about to spell is T. T. Now how many 5 fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word T? I'll tell you. 2 fret fingers. Now let's pinch it. T, E, T. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? For the word T, Our first sound, t. And then we have the special friends, e. Don't forget to underline the special friends. Now, let's tick or fix. If you got the t sound, go ahead and tick. And of course, tick for the special friends, e. Excellent work. Okay, so our last word is sit. Sit. How many fat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word sit? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. Now let's spell the word sit. S, E, T. So let's pinch it. S, E, T. Sit. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to take a fix? Of course you are. For the word sit, our first sound, S. And then we have the special friends, E. And then, T. Don't forget to underline the special friends. Now, let's tick or fix, shall we? For the word sit, our first sound is S. And then we have E. Special friends, yes. And then the T sound. Sit. Okay, so we have clean, tea, and seat. Good job today. Now I want you to think of 10 words with the E sound. Write all the 10 words down and then pick 5 of those words to form sentences. I look forward to seeing your work. See you next time. Bye-bye.